Hi, I'm Celeste with Sawblade.com, here to bring you another product overview featuring our QXT Saw Blades. In this video, I'll be talking about our 14-inch 80-tooth QXT Saw Blade. Our 14-inch QXT Saw Blades fit most major carbide chop saws on the market that run within the designated 1300 to 1800 RPM range. And this 80-tooth QXT blade is ideal for cutting any ferrous metal applications that range from 1/16 to 3/8 inch wall material thickness. The QXT Saw Blades feature a premium industrial-grade carbide tooth that lasts over 25 times longer than your conventional abrasive disc, saving you time and money in replacement blades. These blades also incorporate an industrial brazing technology, which creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and the body of the blade. The QXT blade also features an enhanced thick-cut body that is laser-cut made rather than stamped, yielding a true spinning blade that produces cooler and faster cuts while leaving a smooth, workable finish. The superior triple-chip ground tooth design gives this industrial blade the ability to excel in cutting a variety of applications, such as stainless steel, steel, aluminum, wood, and plastic. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of QXT saw blades, as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. So log on to Sawblade.com to upgrade your machine with our industrial, top-of-the-line QXT blades. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.